An Optic Hobby early bird. Good luck, good luck. My team's ready. Dice roll. We're going 4 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Washington up top. The Bills at the bottom. 4 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Joe up top. Joe at the bottom. Let's sort them out. And Washington did sort their up top. Good luck. Optic Hobby Bird. Let's do it. Here we go.
Last box of Optic Hobby. That is Optic Hobby football, right?
I think.
Too late now. That's what they're getting. I cut it. Good luck. Good luck. Randy Moss. Fletcher Cox on the red for Philly. 96 out of 99. Tyquan Thornton. Snoop Connor. Hollow. J Turbo for the Chargers. Jerome Ford for the Browns. Trey McBride. Electricity of Carson Strong. Philly. 40 out of 65 on Carson Strong. Calvin Austin. Hollow rookie. Rated rookie of Damian Pierce. Kate Otten. Blue of George Pickens. On the rated rook. 90 out of 179. Nice one there for Pitt.
And Rick Weisner. Fumble.
Drop pass, man. K9, Kenneth Walker. Malik Willis. 23 out of 75 for the Tennessee Titans.
And Omar. There you go, Omar.
Clyde Edwards-Helaire. I forget what they call that. The rocket emoji or something?
No rocket ship.
Rocket ship, that's right.
Going to Rick. Rick's having a break.
Jamal Williams, 210 out of 299. Lions. The rookies, Bailey Zappi. George Pickens, rated rookie. Eddie Jackson to 125, Chicago. Ryan Tannehill, little color match to $2.99. Tennessee. Khalil Shakur.
Darren wants some UFC.
Retro series of Wes Welker. I don't know why you wouldn't. Kyler Murray on a hollow. We got 2 boxes of UFC left. Then we're into a fresh case. Garrett Wilson on the rated rook. I don't think anything big came out of this case yet. Tyreek Hill, light it up.
And there's 8 left in the next UFC. FSU just got sanctions for cheating.
Michigan did too. They gave him a national championship. Aaron Donald to $1.99. Last color of the break. $1.99 Christian Kirk. Skylar Thompson. Let me load up a couple of these that we'll recap. Get the color loaded up at least. Slip.
Brian Horner for 1 in Prism Hobby. Good luck to you, Brian.
Again, guys, here's the recap. Tannehill, Jamal Williams, Fletcher Cox, Aaron Donald, Christian Kirk, Rocket Ship, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Malik Willis on the ink to 75, Dameon Pierce Hollow, George Pickens on the blue to 179, and Electricity of Carson Strong to 65. That's the break. Appreciate the fill.